Albertans with chronic diseases now have additional support to take control of their health and to improve their quality of life. Better Choices, Better Health is a free self-management workshop available in communities across the province. 6 weekly workshop sessions are designed to help people better cope with ongoing health conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, arthritis, asthma, high blood pressure, chronic pain, and obesity.
This program first arrived in the province in about 2003. Before that, we didn't have any structured, centrally run programs to support self-management. What's different now compared to prior to AHS's existence, as opposed to 6 or 7 different programs, it's now all one similarly run program, so it's the same whether you're in the northern part of the province, urban or rural, what have you.
Trained volunteers and/or AHS staff, many of whom also live with chronic disease, lead the sessions, ensuring an empathetic and encouraging environment.
One of the valuable pieces of the program is that it can be lay-led, so we can expand the program relatively easily without too much cost. So my recommendation would be anybody who has a chronic health condition should at one point in their life take a class to develop their skills in self-management.
Mary Ann Britt registered for a similar program to help her control her type 2 diabetes. She later joined the program as a trained facilitator who helps to deliver Better Choices, Better Health workshops.
They would learn, for example, how to recognize some of the symptoms that are part of chronic conditions, and then we teach them activities to help them and exercises to help them break up the symptom cycle itself, so that when things occur that are in that cycle, like pain or fatigue, they know better some things that might help them get out of that.
The main thing that we've noticed is that individuals have a tremendous amount to bring to the management of their own condition, and that if we give them the tools and the confidence to do that, they can make a much bigger difference to their health than their doctors and the rest of their healthcare team can.
Better Choices, Better Health workshops will be offered in about 60 communities at various times over the next year. Alberta Health Services is now exploring ways to expand this service so people in remote areas or who are unable to travel can still benefit from the program.
Well, we do know that some communities have higher prevalences of certain conditions than others, like diabetes, like obesity, and we also know that the existence of one chronic condition is a risk factor for others. So it's going to be particularly important for us to recognize where there are communities that have high prevalence of certain conditions, and to make sure that program is particularly available and well advertised in those communities.
Schedule and registration information can be found at www.albertahealthservices.ca/bcbh.asp. More information on the program is also available by calling HealthLink Alberta at 1-866-408-5465.